have to go and you're looking so good just to hurt me? This ain't working. And if you made up your mind, then make it. If you ever love me. Guys, we woke up ages ago. Well, I did. Aussie woke up like not that long ago.
If you ever love me.
I just made some porridge. We love our porridge. In this house, we love porridge. Porridge and butter on toast. But after that, we're going to go do a little bit of grocery shopping. Stock up on some meats. Because our fridge been looking empty. I've been cooking like there is no tomorrow. I'm always cooking these days. Always cooking. Which is a good thing. I mean, nice practice, you know?
Oh, mercy.
But we're gonna go do yeah, a little bit of grocery shopping. I'm gonna have breakfast. It's still cooking, boiling, and then I'm gonna go and have a shower. I really wish you guys could come along, but this battery is low. I should charge it. And then the other one's low too.
If you ever love me, oh, see, when you clean this is because it's worth it.
Don't listen to him. Do not
Why
listen
you
to him.
make the breakfast every morning?
Babe, seriously, he's such a
Every
liar.
morning.
He goes to work. He goes to work, I wake up and I work. And it's Aussie's birthday next week, alright. And you know what his present is? The bloody tonal cover and the tinting windows we got next week. Okay, Aussie? That's your birthday present. The big bonus car that you got, that's your birthday present. So I hope you don't be expecting anything more. Plus all the shops are closed.
Need my bottle for my birthday.
No, that's next year's birthday present.
Oh!
This guy just wants to do everything at one time. He just wants to do everything for his car like at one time. I'm like,
I love Shashana.
this guy calls me Sashana. Plus his eyes are a bit red, so I'm gonna put the eye drops in that I bought him the other day. That's alright. Okay. Look up. Look up here. Yeah. Just don't look at this, because then you're gonna... Did you get one in? I didn't even read how many drops he needs. I didn't even read how many drops he needs. Otherwise, she was gonna get the whole bottle in his eye. Oh, 2 drops. Look, that way, inside. Yeah. Look inside, babe. Open your freaking eye! Just open it, babe. Open it. It's not gonna drop yet. Babe, I can't do this. Open your eye. It says do it 3 times daily. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get a shower now. We just finished our breakfasty. That'll do, honey. We do it again in about 4 hours. Guys, we are all ready now. We're about to leave, going shopping. Finished having a shower. And I'm gonna move my car in. Because yesterday, you guys seen that I did the tonal cover for Aussie's car. So I'm gonna move my car back into the garage. And Aussie's gonna bring his out. My car, Aussie left it there overnight and look at all this crap. My car smells so nice. Let's go, Aussie.
Today we're going to do some shop, some go. And my advice for you guys, stay safe. Don't eat too much. Do some exercise, guys. Otherwise, this is gonna it's hard to you to go back to your exercise, to do exercise. So yeah, that's my advice.
Aussie with the drip. Oh my gosh, it's raining, but it's sunny. It's weird. Why is there a security guard at Aldi?
Cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You could get the trolley. Guys, I really want to get into planting Like, I really, really want my own garden. And I got these pots at the back of our house. I don't know if you guys have noticed them. Ossie's getting mad at me. Why? I just want to have my own garden, Ossie. Poppies. Oh, this is so nice. Oh. Indoor plants. I really want one. I'm going to take this one. Ossie, I want this. Hey guys, we've been home for a while now. When we were at the store, my plant fell and the dirt fell everywhere, so we didn't actually get it. But I really want to get into indoor planting. I want to buy some indoor plants in my house. So I've been YouTubing like indoor plants and they're so beautiful. There was one, I can't even remember the name anymore. I think it starts with an M. It's like a Macedorchla. They have like weird names, these plants. The plant in there is dead at the moment, right there. I eventually want to pull them out and plant some herbs and have a herb garden or a little veggie garden. But I can't wait till Ossie and I move into a bigger house where we can have our own big backyard and I can have my own veggie garden. And it's just going to be awesome. I've always wanted a veggie garden, but I want to get into planting now as well. Ossie's sleeping. He's been sleeping for like the past 3 hours and I was just editing, oh, not 3 hours, maybe 2 hours. And I was just editing the vlog that you guys would have seen previously. And if you haven't, then click on the link. This is so good. Do you guys see my fringe is growing so much? What if I just like put a straight line and then like had it on the side? This is like the olden day styles. How does that look? I look like I'm from the 60s. So, yeah. Guys, I'm sick of waiting for Ossie to wake up. Let's go wake him up. Hey, princess. Are you waking up now?
Nope.
I've decided to leave the bunny bauble until next weekend, but I'm still going to bake a cake. So I'm going to get dinner on the stove or in the oven. I haven't decided what I'm going to make yet. And then I'm going to bake my cake. Okay guys, so I've got my brownie mix pretty much ready to go in a pan. I'm also going to be baking a cake. Monster is awake now. My brownie just came out of the oven. I'm just going to let it set for about 10 minutes before I touch it because it's still very soft inside, so it still needs to set. And I've just put my sponge cake in. I don't know if I like my hair like this. It's so weird. I'm finally in some comfy clothes now. To the side's better to me, but it just gets in my eyes still. My baking is all done now. Ossie's playing Fortnite. What else would he be doing?
There's nothing much to do, guys.
Oh, come on. You can read a book. You can talk to me.
I read all the books every time. You know, guys, nothing much to do, guys, you know. It's good because you can stay home and whatever you want to do at home.
Anyway, so I finished my baking. It's up there. I really want to go and drop some off to my parents. I actually made the cake for them. Sorry, babe.
For them, not for me.
Well, you can have some brownie because that's going to be for us. I don't like the... I'll get up and show you in a second, but I don't like the consistency of the brownie. I should have baked it a bit longer because I like mine like really chewy. And this one's still kind of like real soft like a cake. But I ordered dinner tonight. This is like our first takeaway meal in like forever. Since the whole quarantine thing's been going on, this is like our first takeaway meal. And I don't even like it. I'm just like not eating it. They put way too much chili in the garlic chili wok fit box. Ossie's going hard. And the pad thai is very, very dry. So I had a little argument. I don't know what it is with me, guys, and arguing. I had a little argument with Deliveroo because I said to them, little bit of chili. Like the dish is a chili dish. Yeah, it's a garlic chili tofu. And so I said only a little bit of chili. They put like more than the standard amount of chili. I can't eat it. Like I took one spoonful. I was like, oh, I cannot eat this. So I messaged back. I'm like, this order is wrong. There's way too much chili in this. I can't eat it. And they're like, sorry, there's nothing we can do. Anything else we can help you with? I'm like, yes. Look into why my order wasn't made correctly. Sorry, nothing we can do. Anything else we can help you with? These people are so stupid. Why are they so stupid, babe? That's enough complaining for one night. But I want to show you guys my brownies. So this is the brownie. Half of it fell in here and the other half is here. So see how like it's very spongy, fudgy. I don't like that. I like mine chewy. Like I like the consistency to be like the top here. Then I got my vanilla cake. So tomorrow I'm gonna cut this in half, then cream it and then put it on, and then cream the rest and then put strawberries all over it and then drop it off to my parents. How are you liking dinner, Oz?
It's very nice, but not my type, but it's alright.
Why isn't it your type, Oz?
Don't like it.
Don't like what?
This food.
Why not?
You know me guys, I don't like food from takeaway from food to buy.
Stop lying, just say the word. I knew you were gonna say you don't like saying your food.
No,
Yes, you do. That's what you really wanted to say. We all know that. It's okay to not like Asian food. It's a preference. Some people don't like Indian food. Some people don't like Australian cuisines. So I don't think anyone's going to eat the pad thai. It's just like, it's so dry. So to end off this vlog, a vloggity vlog, we might combine this vlog with tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's Sunday. And we uploaded yesterday's vlog today. I got a little bit more time on my hands, so we usually don't be doing anything, but because we got quarantine, there's like really not much to do at all, so may as well vlog our boring quarantine time. I'm gonna say comment of the day. I'm gonna pick 2 comments. So I haven't done this in like for either. I'm gonna do it on an older vlog because I'm gonna give everyone a chance to comment on the vlog that just went up. I'm gonna choose my comment from this video. Mess at the moment because going through a bit of quarantine at the moment and also so lazy. Our house is a bit of a mess at the moment. Okay, so I just went to newest comment. I don't know which one to pick. Okay, there was one that cracked me up, so I've already got one in my head, but I'm gonna read the most latest one is from Spongy OMGGG. He or she said, "Oh my God, I love you guys, like seriously, love heart crying face. You guys are my only Islander family I got. As my Fijian side of the family decided to disown me." Oh my God, that's horrible. Oh, I'm so sorry, but I love you guys, man. Aulo mani iko. Oh, I'm gonna heart that one. I'm gonna reply to it after. I didn't realize that's what it was gonna say. And the other one, there's so many ones that I want to pick on this one. And I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for commenting on our vlogs all the time. And it was from somebody. Oh, it was so funny. I just like could not stop laughing. I can't find it, guys. It was so funny. By the time you guys finally hear it, you're probably gonna be like, oh, is that all? But it was so funny. Hold on, I'll be BRB. I cannot find it. I think they deleted it. Maybe they thought it was an insult, but I was cracking up because I was like, oh, it kind of sounds familiar. I had to YouTube the person. I just barred my upper. If it was you, please comment down below and tell us that it was you. They were like, oh, I'm not sure about the Outlander characters because I've never seen it, but Aussie definitely sounded like the groundskeeper Willie from The Simpsons. Did you watch The Simpsons in Samoa? This is the groundskeeper Willie.
Oh, should I get the nurse?
Nay, just keep studying. I'll scream this out.
But then I heard the accent. I was like, actually, that's pretty good, honey. That's a compliment. Anyways, guys, that is our comment of the day for you guys. We hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog with us, even though we didn't do much. What happened to my plant?
What plant?
My plant that I got from Aldi.
Well, I'll put it back.
Why did you put it back? We'll see you guys tomorrow. We hope you guys stay blessed, stay safe out there, and just pray.